Hello and welcome to the Hornby Family Fun Project How-To video series. Part 5, Fitting the Fencing. This section you will need the following. There are 6 lengths of fencing and 12 clips. An important feature of the Hornby Track is the pair of slots between the underside of the rails and the sleeper base. These slots are used to accommodate the small black anchor points supplied with the fencing. Locate the slots on the track and insert an anchor point. You will require 2 anchor points per length of fencing. The fencing can be fitted along a curve or straight track using the anchor points supplied. To help you find the slots on the tracks, place a light at ground level and on the opposite side of the track, move it slowly along the track's length. The light will clearly highlight where the slots are. Once located, you can then insert the anchor points. Having inserted the anchor points in the slots, the fencing can now be pushed into the groove that is on the top of each anchor point. Once you are happy with your fencing, you can move on to part 6, operating your layout. To watch part 6, operating your layout, click on the video.